Hey guys! Welcome to our vlog. So today we're going to unbox something. Yan. So after 5 months, 5 months yata, finally,
I don't think so.
how many months? 4 months? 4 months! So finally, the Randoseru that we ordered for Shinkun has finally arrived. So we ordered this parang August yata, no? Tapos, ngayon lang dumating. So, 5 months. August, September, October, November, December, January, actually. Yun. So, 5 months. 5 months na. So, we ordered this online from the catalog, from the brochures na I showed in one of my videos before. That was one of those brochures from one of the catalogs that we got from Shinkun's nursery school. So, we ordered online kasi we took advantage of the discount that was given. So, parang 10% 10% discount na lang yata yung naabutan namin. But should we have ordered earlier, parang 15% discount yata. 15% discount yata yung ma-avail namin na maximum. Pero, yun nga, still thankful kami for the 10% discount. Because 10% is still 10% discount, diba? So, anyway, we're going to unbox it for you. Actually, first time din na makikita ni Shinichi yung kanyang future Randoseru. Okay? Are you ready, baby? Let's go. Okay, let's start. Baby, can you sit down here? No. Okay, so we can show them your new bag.
Okay.
Okay, so this is from, this is delivered by Sagawa. Yun. Sagawa.
Sagawa.
Yay. Baka naman Sagawa, pa-sponsor naman dyan. Can you say it? Sagawa, pa-sponsor naman. Okay. So, again, we ordered this online sa website ng Fuwari. Yes, company. So, ayan. 5 months ang hinintay namin para ma-deliver to.
Wow!
You see the red light? It's blinking through.
Oh, can you open this?
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, here we go.
Faster. Go! Siyempre, sa kanya tong bag, diba? So, siya yung magbubukas. He's gonna open it because it's his bag.
What's it going to be?
What's it going to be? What is this going to be? Ayan. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Let's see it. Oh, there's a note. Can I see it?
Note.
Yeah, there's a note. Ay, mga parang flyers or brochures din.
See it?
Nung mga, di ba pa nilang products?
Can I look in the box?
Yeah, sure. Oh, can we pull it out?
Let's pull it out.
Pull it out.
Pull the box down.
Let's pull the box out. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
We go.
Whoa! Ayan naman, ang ganda ng box, di ba? Box pa lang maganda na.
So beautiful.
Oh, tingnan mo, nakalagay.
So
Masa pa.
beautiful.
It's so beautiful. Ayan.
So
It
beautiful.
says, can you read it? This one?
Made in Japan.
Yeah, it's a Japan product. It's called Fuwari Randoseru.
Fuwari Randoseru.
Okay.
Let's open it. I can't
Excited nga
wait.
naman. I can't wait. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yay! This way. Uh-oh.
We need to open this.
We need to open it. Here, on the other side.
Which way?
This way. This way.
Oh.
Say hi muna to Mommy, camera woman.
Hi.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
We're so excited to open our bag.
I'm so excited.
Yeah. Okay, here's another layer. And here's another layer.
Another box.
Oh, and another cover. And another cover. Oh, can you open it? Whoa! Oh. Show it to them. Hey guys! This is Shinkun's bag.
Wow!
This is Shinkun's Randoseru bag. Ayun. And then, here we go.
That's really cute.
Oh, there you go. Oh, may cover na. Ay, hindi. Ano lang siya?
Is there a cover?
Nope. It's just the usual plastic.
Usual plastic.
Oh,
Oh.
okay. These are the straps. Paano ba buksan to? Ba yan? Ayun. Oh,
What?
okay. Wait. Later. Let's take this out first. Okay. So yung parang protective cover lang niya. Yun. It's just a piece of cardboard.
Wow.
Wait lang kasi. Ayan. Tanggalin muna natin to. Kita pa ba yung mukha ko?
Yeah.
Ayan. So, hindi pa siya naka-set kasi iaano pa natin siya. Iaayos muna natin. Like this.
Okay.
It depends doon sa size ng batang magsusuot. So, ipakita ko lang. Ayan. So, this is the cover. Ayan. Bakit red? Why did we choose red, baby? What's your favorite color? Red. That's why we chose this design. Parang ano to yun, mami? 2020-2022 design yata nila. Yeah, this side is white kasi yung back part. 2020-2022 design to. 2023 na ngayon, di ba? Hindi, okay lang yun. It doesn't matter naman eh. Kasi Randoseru is Randoseru pa din naman. Same quality pa din naman for sure. So, bakit parang inabot ng 5 months nga ulit yung delivery? May mga nakikita na kami recently sa mga malls, parang almost the same price na din neto. Pero, yung original price kasi neto, it's nasa mahal pa din. Nasa mahal pa din, parang almost 40,000 pa din to. So, ito na yung pinakamura doon sa na ano natin. Not really pinakamura, pero one of the cheapest na siya. So, plus discount, 10% discount. Kasi if you buy in the mall, walang discount na yon. So, sayang naman yung discount ba? Alam mo yun, practical pa din tayo. So, anyway, we're gonna try this for Shinkun today. Yeah. Ayan, it's ready! Yay!
We did it!
Shinkun's bag is ready! Oh, tapos pala, di ba nag-add tayo, aside from doon sa the original price ng bag itself.
Original price?
Meron siyang freebies. Yun, kasama to, hindi namin in-order, hindi namin binili to. Free din siya. Maliban dun sa discount, may freebies siya. So, this one, lagayan ng mga items, ng mga gamit niya. Like A4 size na envelope. Wait lang. Give me this one, baby.
No!
Ito yung breastplate. Ayan, ba tawag nila dito? Yung breast belt, yung dito siya. Kakabit siya dito. Ganyan. Chest belt pala yung tawag nila. Chest belt. Ayun. So, ikakabit siya. Kasama na din doon sa bag. Dito. Para ma-secure. Ayan. Ikakabit ko na ba? Para makita natin. Para makita din nila. O, sige, anyway. Tatry na lang ulit namin later. Aayusin na lang natin. So, basta ito siya, chest plate siya, chest belt siya, para ma-secure yung kay Shinkun. Yung bag pala. So, ayun naman, okay naman. Tapos, ano pa ba yung mga free? May free stickers! Free stickers! Can you check the stickers? Do you like the stickers?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then, nag-order pala kami ng plate. Ayun, eto pala. Kasi, eto lang yung customization na ano namin. Yung parang nameplate niya.
Hey,
So,
look at
yan. Here's a
number one.
nameplate.
Hey, look at number
ayan, Bisenyo Shin. Hindi kasi kasya yung buong Bisenyo Shinichi kasi mahaba. Alam mo naman yung mga Japanese, 'di ba? Yung mga pangalan naman kasi nila, it's either in kanji or in hiragana. So kapag ginawa ng Roman alphabet or English alphabet, very limited na yung space kasi. Kaya hindi na kasya yung Shinichi. Ayun, kaya Bisenyo Shin na lang yung pinagawa ko. Pero okay lang naman. Siya lang naman yung disenyo doon sa school niya, di ba? So, alam na kung sino siya. And nababasa naman na niya yung Shin. Di ba? Di ba? Yes. So, eto na yung nameplate niya. So, eto, nagbayad lang kami ng additional 3,000 plus yen para sa nameplate. And then, yun. Eto na, ang kanyang Randoseru. Yay! Ang kanyang bag. Where are you? Can you try it?
Okay.
Let's try it. Oh, here.
How do I look?
How do we look? Come here, come here. Alright, show them your bag. Ay, yay! Okay naman, no? Back, baby, turn. There you go. And then, wait lang. There you go. There you go. Oh, kailangan nating i-lock later. And then, yung chest plate pala niya, saktong-sakto pag nilagay natin. Pero dapat kasi, feeling ko, dito siya sa side na to. Ganyan. Just yung tummy. Show them your tummy. Belly gun! No, we're not going to belly gun. This is going to be your bag. Your new bag when you go to your new school. Ayan, so eto ang kanyang Randoseru. Yay!
Yay!
Ayan, oh, magic!
What? Magic?
Yeah, magic.
Oh,
Tingnan mo, mami. Tingnan mo. We're gonna show them the magic. Mag-automatic siyang maglalak. Wow!
Wow!
Yeah. Ayun, wait lang.
The
Let's say goodbye muna to our viewers. Wait lang. So, eto ang aming unboxing sa bagong bag, school bag, Randoseru ni Shinichi-kun. So, that's all. I'll see you again next time. Say goodbye.
Bye!
Bye!